Alright guys, welcome back. A new day. I'm just almost at Tim's house right now, pulling into his street. Blew it up. Yesterday I blew the turbo. Bad. I took a coworker for a ride in it, and it was the hardest I pushed it, and it just went from pulling hard to just pulling super hard and lots of smoke. We are on a hunt for a Cressida key. Ah, there she is. Your cars are smoking now.
Wait till you see this.
Yeah.
I've never seen so much smoke come from a car before. It smells like burnt oil.
Should we go for a drive?
We have to toss the battery in it.
Let's do it. Alright, update. So it's not smoking anymore, apparently. Or at least maybe it's something else other than the oil seal that was leaking. It's that Toyota quality, man. They fix themselves overnight. Odd. The oil level's full? What the heck?
Okay, let's just give it a rep and see what happens. That's the best test you can do when a car is not doing what it's supposed to do, just full pull.
When in doubt, rip it out. This is a long car. Oh, is it the brake?
from last time, right?
I don't know what caused it to smoke the amount it did yesterday.
Is that from you?
Yeah.
Oh, that's from the tram.
Yeah, see, look. Smoke.
Oh, that's weird. What the heck?
Yeah, it doesn't make sense.
It was coming from like under the car.
Yeah, he's just doing it. Yeah, see what I mean though?
Yeah.
It's like constant smoke.
Yeah. And it smells oily, doesn't it?
No, it's definitely oil. And I really don't know what else it'd be other than the turbo. I don't know, let's do a pull on the road.
Alright, that'll fix it.
Yesterday he was pulling through this and everything.
Oh, wow. Yeah, I see a little bit. Yeah, it's weird.
It's not like it's just all smoke. I don't think you can get anything else out of the turbo.
Yeah. What was that? Yeah, they are. Hey, perfect timing.
Oh, blowing turbo. Like, dude, I seriously don't know what else it'd be.
Yeah, it's definitely coming from like down there.
Let's we'll pop off this intake piping and see what the turbo, like the, what you call it, the spinny boy part of it.
Turbine?
No, there's another name for it.
Yeah, I think I know what you're talking about. You're saying right there. Shaft?
Well, it's
Oh,
the
no.
shaft, and then it's the, I guess it might be the turbine, yeah.
The whatever the bladey thing is.
Get that there. It might still be minimal. I mean, the turbo had shaft play when we first put it in, but I didn't think it was like, to the point of where. No, it's really not moving around much.
No shaft play.
It's way less shaft play than I thought it was too. Like there's like almost nothing.
It didn't seem like that car was really like a beat-on car either. I doubt the turbo is the reason it was in the junkyard, right?
It's still.
Could be.
I don't know much about turbos, dude.
Yeah.
I guess another thing we can check is oil in the intake. So there's oil in the intake. But I don't know if
How much? Let me look from this side.
like a decent amount, like a finger's coating.
Yeah.
I don't know. I mean, I might just buy a new turbo and just see if it fixes it.
Yeah.
But it's like, it's weird. And the next one.
Papa Tim. Alright guys, that's gonna conclude today's episode. Stay tuned for the next update. Tim will be purchasing a new turbo here soon enough. And then this thing should be out ripping again. We're hoping to get a little Christmas video with this thing. So,
These tires are sitting there days.
almost like you did a burnout on it. Alrighty guys, see ya in the next one.